You want to use your small CNC machine to engrave glass. In this video I will show you how I do it. Actually, to engrave glass is not that easy, because the glass is a very hard material. You can't use your standard bits. They are for wood, plastic and other soft materials. If you search in Google for bits for glass, you will find something like this. But this is quite expensive and also designed for a big CNC machine. So I decided to use the same bit that I use when I'm engraving with a Dremel. It's a cheap bit that has diamond dust on the tip. But the problem is that if you just put this bit on the machine, you will break the glass for sure. This happens because the machine can't press with light force like we do by hand. Also, when we work with our hands, see how the tool is tilted. This is because the working area of the diamond bit is here on the side. The tip of the bit rotates in a small point and there is no way to grab and scratch the glass. I don't want to remove my spindle now, so I will use my little Dremel, but you can use the spindle in the same way. I use this metal plate to secure the Dremel at an angle. Also, because this plate is elastic, it creates this spring effect that softens the pressure of the machine and the glass doesn't break. So this is my easy and cheap option for glass engraving. I hope this video is useful for your projects.